Can we all be on mute for a moment? Host, yeah. Okay. Hi everyone. My name is Rishabh, and I welcome you all to Heart COVID Seva team के साथ. So this is the fourth conversation with this wonderful group of people who actually decided to step up and literally handhold people out of this crisis. Various groups as per the need. And in our earlier conversations, we have spoken to the other teams like oxygen, beds, etc. You can check those videos on YouTube and Facebook also. So today we have with us this amazing team, which have worked 24 hours a day under the banner of the Art of Living West Bengal to help people with blood and plasma. It's really an honor to personally hear the stories of their passion and also compassion. So let's give a huge round of applause for all of them. Then we'll introduce who we have with us today.
Okay, hello guys, good evening. My name is Uddin Dalmia. I am from Calcutta and I'm a fashion designer. So today we have Nidhi with us. She's an advocate and she's from Siliguri. And we have Pragati. She's a teacher in EduTech. And we have Hemant. He is from Kolkata. He's a BCom student. And Ankit Bhaiya, he's a businessman. And Sarang, he is a pharmacist. So Sarang, tell me why this requirement came up or what happened. Tell me something about this.
Look, first of all, we all know the fact that we are not prepared for this. No one in this country was not prepared for this second phase of COVID. So it was a very critical situation, and there was no proper resource in the real time when we need that. Then we all decided to come forward and do some sort of service to make it somewhat easy and relieving for the patient and the people around us. And the motive of our group is to was to make two emergencies related to blood, plasma, and deal promptly. And there is we have to just provide the correct knowledge among everyone about blood donation rules, safety, and there are lots of myths going on. So we just have to clarify. We are here. We made a group to clarify that all, and to ensure the arrange of for blood donation. And main motive was that patient should get the blood and plasma when they need it.
So this team was working only for the COVID-related queries or anything that came up during this crisis, any accident or anything else which was needed, any operation was needed. So was it only related to COVID or did you help others also?
Any query that at that time we helped everyone.
Okay, that's so nice. Okay, so Ankit Bhaiya, tell me what inspired you to take up this project?
Hi, Vidyan. Thank you for the question. Yes, blood donation is something that is really close to my heart. I've been involved in this for the last 5 or 6 years. Anybody is in need, और जब हमें लगता है ना अगर हम कुछ कर, especially saving their lives, making life is precious. तो अगर कुछ कर सकते हैं ना, तो मुझे लगता है उतना सा हाथ बढ़ा देना एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल चीज है. इसीलिए और किसी का पेन समझ सको तो यही है. और कोविड के टाइम पे ऐसा था ना कि सीरियसली सो मेनी पीपल वर लूजिंग देयर लाइव्स और एक प्लाज्मा डोनेशन केम अप लाइक कि दिस इज समथिंग जो कोविड लोगों को क्योर कर सकता है. एंड आई थॉट कि लेट अस डू इट. तो एंड ब्लड डोनेशन तो पहले से ही चल रहा था. भी हो गया बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड. इतना सारा फियर लोगों के अंदर हो गया कि ब्लड डोनेट करे नहीं करे. तो लगा कि थोड़ा सा इंस्पायर करते हैं. लेट मी मेक यूज ऑफ टाइम. That was it.
So basically, who had recovered from COVID, they could donate their plasma and help the patients, current patients, right?
Yes, yes.
Nice. So how did you guys meet and how did this team get together? Like, aap start kick or who started? What happened? Tell us something about that also.
Well, yeah, to feeling the initiative है. We were all like कि Vivekanand and Ankur भैया came up with this कि एक blood donation and plasma donation के लिए कुछ करना चाहिए. हम लोग के पास in general बहुत सारे floating requirements आ रहे थे, लेकिन फिर लगा कि organize होके करना होगा. And Vivekanand, hats off to him, he made calls to so many people, joined so many people in under this umbrella, and जिसको interest है सब join करो. एंड इस तरह से करते करते हम लोग का ग्रुप हम लोग का व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बना. वी स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन दैट एंड ग्रेजुअली उसके बाद लॉट ऑफ पीपल जॉइन इन थ्रू सीइंग सोशल मीडिया. ये काम हो रहा है और ये
Yes.
सब में एक तरह का ये जोश था ना पूरे देश भर में, पूरे दुनिया भर में कि लेट अस मेक अ डिफरेंस. सो लॉट ऑफ पीपल जॉइंड अस ऑन दिस.
मेरा क्वेश्चन है so अंकित जी, मैं जैसे पहले से जानता हूँ कि आप क्या ये एक्सपीरियंस आपको हेल्प किया इस सिचुएशन को डील करने के लिए? एक्सपीरियंस दैट यू हैड फॉर द लास्ट 5 years ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजिंग ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप्स.
वेल यस, इसमें हेल्प तो मिला. जैसे इन जनरल टू हाउ टू हैंडल कॉल्स, कैसे क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स होते हैं, क्या क्या डूज एंड डोंट्स होते हैं ब्लड डोनेशन के लिए. प्लाज्मा तो आई न्यू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल जिनसे मुझे प्लाज्मा डोनेशन के डूज एंड डोंट्स के बारे में पता चला और किस तरह से लोगों को इंस्पायर करना है, किस तरह से लोगों को से बातें करनी है. ये सब चीज में मुझे बहुत हेल्प मिला. इनफैक्ट आई कुड ऑल्सो यू नो गाइड अदर्स टू कि कैसे हैंडल करना है. ये सब चीज में मैं उनको गाइड करता है.
Nice. So how did you gather the resources? Like Pragati, if you want to say something about it.
If I say we only had to make calls, that would be very simplistic to say, but actually we only needed to make calls. There were so many resources available online, so that we just have to collate all the data. So in order to collate that, we initially started with our own Google Forms. So we rolled out our own Google Forms where we asked our volunteers, their families to fill in the form, where we could see if these people specific for plasma and general for blood. So both the things were available, and then it all worked very symbiotically. Organizations which are working nationwide or locally, it all come together. We used to make call to each other. We used to take leads of each other. Like, so this is one thing I saw here, that when you are working on the sources, there was no competition. It was everybody has come together, all the organizations. It was very beautiful to all understand the basic tenets of humanity, and it is taught at a good taught teach us a good way. And the WhatsApp groups were there. In fact, the patient parties we helped, they came forward on their own that, okay, we have this, how can I help you? Is there you need something you put on the social media or oxygen? Whoever in the group, even in the patient group, whoever had any lead, they used to come forward and help each other. So on in all, there were times we had to make at least 25 calls for one patient, and so there were environment, and there was a lead texting us personally, DMing us, okay, we have this. So I think everything fell in place very beautifully. That's all I have to say.
So how many calls did you get like in one day, like approx?
Calls we used to get on WhatsApp messages, basically,
Okay.
more than calls, personal calls. There was no calling number. So the requirements were around 60 to 70 requirements we used to get in a day.
Each
and
day,
out of,
yeah.
Like for blood and plasma both. And like out of that, we could try, and we almost every day we tried to fill in like 70 to 80% of that.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah.
So Hemantji, tell me about some problems that you faced. Anything?
Yeah, hi, thank you. So, as everyone shared their experience as to how we corrected the team, and we got 70 to 80 of the responses every day. Now, the main target, that one thing about the lead was there was a lot of misinformation going here and there. So, बहुत लोग भेज रहे थे. There are a hell lot of people who were giving so many unverified leads, and we had to call them, and we have to see if it's right or wrong. And it was very hectic. Now, what happened with our WhatsApp group was it was filling up so much that people were not leaving after their requirement was fulfilled. And if someone else wanted to come in, they could not. So we decided a policy that we will remove the person as soon as the requirement is met. Now, what happened is once the requirement is met, we used to remove them. And the problem that arose was they could not come back because admin removed them. Right. So there's this WhatsApp policy that they could not come join the group again. So it was really chaotic. Now, sometimes what happened, people got offended as well. Like, how could you remove us? There were some people who posted the requirement and it was fulfilled, and we wrote fulfilled and then I removed. Now they didn't get the time to even revert back or thank you or anything. So they got offended, like, how is it possible? How inhuman you are. So I received 2, 3 calls as well. This was one of the problems. Another problem when related to blood and plasma was people were fearing to donate as to अब जाएंगे तो मेरे को तो COVID नहीं हो जाएगा. Now, as the government clarified everything, then things got eased. But at the starting, it was very much problematic to get to convince people that nothing will happen to them. So eventually, everything set in place. But at the start, there were a lot of policies that had to be made: how to manage the WhatsApp group, how to keep the crowd uh, very much calm, and just do our work and just overcome all the negativity around us. So it was a great experience to overall.
I want to add in Hemant. Thing is that we made some posts and in social handles and all to make people aware and make people inspired to donate. Like whatever myths and things they have within mind, we just aware them to how can they donate, what is the pay, and कितना time लगेगा उनको कोविड नहीं होगा, वो सब जैस कुछ भी था तो उनको हम लोग एक तरह से उनको इंस्पायर कर रहे थे. और दूसरा चीज था कि बहुत मैनेजमेंट में प्रॉब्लम चलता था स्टार्टिंग में, क्योंकि वॉलंटियर्स लोग हमेशा अवेलेबल हो ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं था. तो स्लॉट्स था उनका अलग अलग, तो उसमें बहुत मैसअप चल रहा था कि हाँ इस क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग में क्या होता सबको हम लोग दे दिया था कि इस स्लॉट में ये कर रहा है, खुद अपने से ले लिए थे जो जो अवेलेबल होगा जिस टाइम पे. लेकिन वो कुछ होता था कि वो अवेलेबल नहीं है तो फिर वो उस टाइम पे कुछ कोई नहीं है. फिर व्हेन आई एंटर्ड कुछ दिन तक तो मैं ऐसा था कि मैं पूरे दिन इसमें लगा हुआ था. But then when I मतलब फिर धीरे धीरे मैं अपने जब प्रोफेशनल में गुजरा तो मेरे को भी थोड़ा मैनेजमेंट करने में दिक्कत हुआ या लेकिन हो गया. देन और 80% हम केस मतलब एनी हाउ कैसे फिर हम कोलैबोरेट करके डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से. और आज मतलब मेरे को इतना अच्छा लगता है कि मतलब I connected to almost 70 to 80 organization all over India, not in West Bengal. और हमको कहीं से ब्लड चाहिए, राजस्थान दिल्ली में हो कहीं भी चाहिए ब्लड प्लाज्मा, I am connected to them और they are available full time. Yeah.
So how many people were there in your team? Like pura the blood and plasma team, how many people were there?
Almost 15 to 16 people were there.
Okay.
But लेकिन 5 to 6 people were available every day.
Okay.
I have a basic question. So see, जब मुझे ऑफिस में कोई छोटा सा कोई इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करना होता है, it becomes so stressful. ठीक है, जो भी स्केल हो, छोटा से छोटा में भी. But you guys are doing this for over a couple of months now, and still each and every one of you is smiling right now. So how did you manage that? So anyone can choose to answer.
Meditate.
Oh.
Connected with art of living. The least you can do for yourself is smile. How can you be not smiling? So that's everyone can like have their opinion on this, but I firmly believe that after doing my first happiness course, one thing is constant is being happy.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
Others, say something.
One more thing is that after so much of doing seva and whole day, we used to have a Zoom meeting at night with our Devashi Bhaiya, and in that we used to have chit chat, and we just forgot everything, whatever happening, sad experience, good experience was for, and just मतलब एक तरह का मस्ती चल रहा था, ठीक है. एंड व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड दिस सर्विस ना, तो मेरा पॉइंट और सबका पॉइंट ये था कि हमको एक सेवा ना इज नॉट लाइक सीरियसनेस के साथ करना है ना, नीड ऑफ द आवर है, ठीक है, सब कुछ ठीक है, लेकिन मस्ती के साथ करना है. अपने में अगर मस्ती या अगर हम लोग ठीक नहीं रहेंगे तो फिर करना इज नॉट पॉसिबल, इतना कुछ हैंडल करना पॉसिबल नहीं है, ठीक है ना. तो वो हम, मेरे में तो ऐसे चल रहा था, मस्ती करते रहो, हम लोग को इतना मजा आ रहा था करके, और सब ऐसे थे कि मजे से कर रहे थे हम लोग. तो फिर हम लोग ऐसे कुछ था नहीं कि अभी भी जैसे, और हम लोग सब अभी भी हंस रहे हैं, बोल रहे हैं, तो बस.
I would also like to add on this. मेरे को ऐसा लोगों को कि अभी अगर बिजनेस कर रहे हैं तो सेवा कैसे कर रहे हैं, या पढ़ा रहे हैं तो सेवा कैसे कर रहे हैं, या like I'm an advocate, so most like my colleagues also tell me, what are you doing, how do you like how do you manage, but I don't know, it is just a matter of mind. I I remember those days when I was sitting in the chamber and जब breaks लेते हैं ना अपने ये बीच में जब clients आते हैं जाते हैं, those are the moments you just do it. Everything happens on its own. I genuinely experienced this. कि सब कुछ तो अपने आप होता है. And those moments जब people they come to you and they say thank you for saving our life. I'll tell you, no amount of degree, no amount of money can give you that sort of happiness जो ये सेवा देगा. So just do it. Just do, like अगर नहीं होता तो आप 1 घंटा करो, 2 घंटा करो. हमारे यहाँ पे भी जैसे अंकित भैया ने बोला या सारंग ने बोला कि स्लॉट्स थे, एंड वो बीच में उसको प्रोफेशन में भी थोड़ा सा इशू आया था, बट मैनेज हो गया ना. टुडे वी आर स्माइलिंग, टुडे वी आर हैप्पी, एंड टुडे वी आर प्राउड. सो आई थिंक इट्स टोटली वर्थ इट.
Yeah, wonderful, Nidhi. So it was kind of my next question, which you answered already. So I wanted to ask, how did you manage it with your professional life? So one point that you said that you utilize the interstitials that we have. So between meeting of the clients or कुछ भी बाकी है, तो उसको let's utilize this time to do the seva. Anything else you want to add here? Yeah.
I mean, it happens, this is very overrated. The whole thing of mingling and how kaise hoga, this this kaise hoga drops and then ho jata hai. I think you just have to do, shuru to karo aap, and then if it doesn't happen, chill. The whole, like Sarang said, मस्ती से करते थे, ऐसा लोड नहीं था कि we have to do और यही है, मस्ती से करते थे और हो जाता था. And I have been like my brother was in the hospital, so I saw that thing with जो injection आना या blood आना, वो जो gratitude आता है ना, it is lovely. I think it's lovely. I actually feel grateful कि मेरे को ये opportunity मिला. Instead of,
and here we want to add one more thing is, it's only in the times of this ICT, like technology, everything is possible. We were sitting at our homes. We were not doing any groundwork. Like I can talk about my core team. We were sitting from our home, and Sarang especially, he is sitting in any remote place and he is doing like services for the remotest place in the country. So we have to thank that COVID has come in this times. We have Twitter, we have WhatsApp, we have Facebook, and we can call people. Everything is there on internet. If still we can't do our duty or make our contribute it.
Yeah, just a matter of intention, right?
Totally, just a matter of intention.
So inspiring. All of your story, all of your experiences are so inspiring.
Yeah. So my next question is for Sarang. Sarang, can you tell me some of your experiences? So what happened? I mean, how do you feel? Anything good, bad?
I will start with the fact that we managed to fulfill 80% of the cases at the end of the day. Somewhat we didn't able to manage, but no worries. We took it next day और हो जाता था. बस कहीं से पता चलता हो गया. We collaborated with different organizations, तो उनसे भी हमारा link up था, तो उससे भी हो जाता. And experience के बाद बोलो तो बहुत सारे अच्छे experiences है. ठीक है, कुछ ऐसा होता था कि O नेगेटिव ब्लड, A नेगेटिव ब्लड, B नेगेटिव प्लाज्मा, सुनने में लगता है कि मिलेगा भी, ठीक है, लेकिन फिर मेरे मुंह से यही निकलता था, हो जाएगा, बस हो जाएगा, इतना ही निकलता था, और पता नहीं हो जाता। अब मुझे भी नहीं पता कैसे होता था, लेकिन हो जाता। हाँ, बिकॉज होता है ना कि कहीं ना कहीं ग्रेस भी काम करता है, मैजिक होता है। हाँ, और एक्सपीरियंस का बोलूँ तो ऐसा है कि एक दिन था जब मेरे को रात को 11:30-12 बजे के करीब एक फोन आया। टाटा मेडिकल सेंटर में एक बच्चा था 16 साल का, उसको 16 यूनिट ब्लड चाहिए था और नेक्स्ट डे चाहिए था, वो ल्यूकेमिया से सफर कर रहा था। तो आई जस्ट कॉल्ड 4 पीपल मॉर्निंग 8 o'clock, 8:30 बजे मेरे पास 9 यूनिट रेडी था। तो आई अरेंज 9 यूनिट्स इन हाफ एन आवर। तो वो भी एक मैजिक लग रहा था मेरे को, मतलब कैसे हो गए, क्योंकि एक यूनिट के लिए मैं पूरा दिन घूमता हूँ, आधे घंटे में 9 यूनिट अरेंज हो गए, मतलब अलग ही कहानी था वो। हाँ, उसके बाद एक था राजस्थान से, मेरे पास फोन आया था, एक टीचर थे प्रेसिडेंसी स्कूल में, व्यास सर, और उनके लिए उनको ब्लड चाहिए था, उनके लिए मेरे पास 38 स्टूडेंट्स का उनका फोन आया था। एंड एवरीवन कॉलिंग मी, भैया बचा लो, भैया कैसे भी बचा लो इनको। तो एवरीवन लाइक तो मेरे में ना ये एक तरह से ना, जो मैं मस्ती में भी था, लेकिन ये प्रेशर बन गया एक तरह से, एक पॉइंट के लिए, कि मेरे को ये करना ही है, मैं सबको छोड़ दूंगा लेकिन मेरे को करना है, ठीक है। एंड इट टुक टाइम, बट ना मैं कर दिया। और नेक्स्ट डे जो मेरे को मिला, अग्रवाल समाज का हेड जो है अभी प्रेजेंट में, उनका फोन आया मेरे पास। बट ये मतलब फिर मैं ऐसे फोन पिक किया तो उन्होंने बोला कि मैं अग्रवाल समाज का अध्यक्ष बोल रहा हूँ। क्यों, किस बात के लिए फोन किया? तो अजीब लगा यार। क्यों? तो बोलते हैं कि आपने इतना बड़ा काम किया, आप सोच भी नहीं सकते। क्या कर दिया मैंने? तो बोलते हैं आपने मतलब 38 तो आपको फोन कर रहे थे, आपने पूरे स्कूल के बच्चों में हंसी ला दी, खुशी ला दी। तो मतलब वो सुनने में कितना अच्छा लग रहा था यार, मतलब I did something, मतलब everyone, our team was there, सबने हेल्प किया। इवन राजस्थान वॉलंटियर्स, आई लिंक्ड अप विद देम, उन्होंने भी हेल्प किया, ठीक है। दिल्ली टीम वाज एग्जॉस्टेड बिकॉज टू मच ऑफ उनको अभी लोड आ रहा था। तो मेनी रिक्वायरमेंट्स आर कमिंग डायरेक्टली टू मी, ठीक है। आई आल्सो मतलब मी एंड टू ऑफ आवर टीम स्टार्टेड दिल्ली टीम फ्रॉम बंगाल। हम लोग ने दिल्ली प्लाज्मा टीम भी स्टार्ट किया, क्योंकि उन लोग का लोड इतना हो गया था वॉलंटियर्स का कि वो संभाल नहीं पा रहे थे। एंड मेरे पास डायरेक्टली रिक्वायरमेंट्स आ रहा था, तो वो भी हम मैनेज कर रहे थे। एंड एट पॉइंट आई स्टार्टेड अ स्टोरेज पॉइंट इन प्लाज्मा इन दिल्ली विद कोलैबोरेटिंग विद लाइन्स क्लब। वो मेरे को पूरा अपना बिल्डिंग दे दिए कि हम लोग उधर आपका स्टोरेज कराइए, हम करेंगे आपके साथ, ठीक है। तो मेरे को फिर किसी से वो बस मेरे को लीड्स लाना था और उधर डोनेट करवाना था। तो
और ये सब हुआ आप घर बैठे हुए थे?
हाँ, घर बैठे बैठे। तो सब ना हो जाता है, मतलब when you go in this path of making humanity a good, मतलब living this world and living in this point of time to कुछ मतलब अच्छा करो ना, तो everyone gets connect with you, everyone, ठीक है। and there are many people with good nature and they want the goodness in the society. उनको ना बस स्टेज चाहिए होता है, सबको ना एक स्टेज चाहिए होता है। वो स्टेज अगर आप स्टार्ट कर दिया ना, वो खुद पे खुद झूमने लगेंगे। तो वी आर मतलब ऐसा एक्सपीरियंसेस हम, अब मेरे को इतना मोटिवेशन और ये है कि ऐसा सेवा और आए और हम और जुड़े और अच्छा करें। तो और बैड एक्सपीरियंस ऐसा है कि आते रहते हैं, तो वो बहुत नेग्लिजेंस है, मतलब एक होता है ना एरर, तो वो 5% है, उसको हम बॉदर नहीं करते, वो हमारे लिए कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है। वो होते रहता है, तो वी आर जस्ट डूइंग आवर बेस्ट और वो हो रहा है, ठीक है।
Amazing Sarang. From what Sarang said and what Pragati was sharing, that इतना कुछ resources है, ठीक है। आप अगर अभी भी अगर आप नहीं कर सक रहे हो कुछ, तो you have to find something that what is wrong. इससे I remember one of my very favorite quotes is like, जो अब भी ना खोला वो खून नहीं पानी है, और जो देश के काम ना आ सके वो बेकार जवानी है। So look at this wonderful people of their house, but they just had an intention कि मुझे घर बैठ के ही I want to contribute, and they have contributed a lot. They have literally saved lives of a lots of people. Like Sarang said, घर बैठ के started a storage unit at Delhi in collaboration with the Lions Club of that area. Wonderful guys, wonderful guys. So with this we come to the conclusion of the session. मन तो नहीं कर रहा है. I also have a lot of questions that I want to ask. I'm sure people who are watching this will have a lot of questions to ask. अगर आपको कुछ भी question है ना, which you want to ask to Sarang, Ankit, Pragati, Hemant, Nidhi, so what you do, you can comment on the chat, be it Facebook or YouTube. ठीक है, we'll try to get you answered. If you want to connect with any of them, ठीक है, these people are our role models now. If you want to connect with them, drop a comment. We'll try to connect you to them. So with this, I want to just ask one last question. So this question is to Pragati. So see, Pragati, people who are watching this, including us also, who feel so inspired by all these stories, and if you want to contribute, maybe contribute to your team or anywhere else, how do we do that?
Before I answer that, I want to mention name of one of our team member, Varsha Gupta. She's not here, and she was the best person to tell you how to connect with people. She was after people. She was just connected with each and every volunteer, talking, like asking about their well-being, when they can be available. So this type of energy is needed. So now I'm coming to your question, how do we connect? Is our Art of Living West Bengal Facebook page has a WhatsApp number. You can contact us over there. And also we have a website which is working. We would share the link. It's Linktree Seva. So we would share the link with you. You can float it. So this website is where all the donors and all the recipients, they come together and we fulfill the demands and the supply both.
Great.
Wonderful.
Great. Sarang, share us the numbers you were telling me before, na? How many people we helped?
Yeah. We arranged for almost just I'm saying the numbers in West Bengal only.
Yes.
Okay. We have arranged 350 plus blood donors in emergency situations. Arranged for 150 plus plasma donors and 200 plus units of blood from blood banks in 3 cities and 2 villages across West Bengal in a time period of 40 days.
Wonderful.
And in total, we have touched the lives of 700 people plus 700 plus people, and the hearts of several thousand people around the globe only. And thing is that क्या था कि when मतलब we are in total follow up कि जब तक वो डोनर जाके डोनेट नहीं कर देता था तब तक हम फॉलो अप में रहते थे उनके साथ. तो वो मतलब था कि कभी कभी और ऐसा भी होता था कि हमारे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में एक ही रिक्वायरमेंट 25-30 बार आता था. तो वो हम लोग को ना बहुत बार एक ही रिक्वायरमेंट को वेरीफाई भी करना पड़ता था. कोल्ड कॉलिंग ये हमें देखना पड़ता था. तो बहुत कुछ क्योस था, लेकिन अभी सब सिंक्रोनाइज्ड हो गया. एंड नाउ like as noticed from ICMR and WHO कि अब प्लाज्मा रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है तो कोविड पेशेंट्स के लिए. तो वी आर नॉट इन अ कंटिन्यूअस, अभी हम लोग का कोई प्लाज्मा रिक्वायरमेंट अब फुलफिल नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो वी आर अवेलेबल फॉर ब्लड रिक्वायरमेंट एंड ऑल, एंड हम लोग अभी भी सेवा में हैं. ठीक है, अगर आप लोग मतलब इन बिहार मतलब इसके थ्रू हम बता देते हैं कि अगर किसी कोई ब्लड रिक्वायरमेंट है कुछ है तो यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट अस. our WhatsApp number और Linktree कोविड सेवा में आप वेस्ट बंगाल में आके ब्लड ग्रुप में ऐड होके अपने रिक्वायरमेंट दे सकते हो. So we'll try our best to help.
So we can contact you for blood requirements and blood donation also then?
Yeah.
If someone wants to donate blood?
Yeah. It will be helpful for us.
And we organize camps also, so we can contact you to organize camps also?
Yeah, we are organizing blood camps. Like we organize several camps in Kolkata association with Project Life Force, and we arranged a blood bank in Siliguri, a blood camp in Siliguri, collaborated with Lions Club Siliguri. So we are arranging because we do not have the storage point. So we need to have collaboration with other blood banks, and we just connecting the people with the organization.
Great.
Okay, awesome then. Great job, team. So with this, we'll like to end the today's session. Okay. Just one thing I want to add, what I understood with the motto of this team is, if you have an intention, you can do it. Okay. There will be people who will help you to help others. So let's not go that intention to waste. Connect to each one of these angels. Okay. See you then. Bye bye. See you tomorrow, guys. We'll come up with a new tip.